Hey, we got it. Okay, we got the mini train. Hey, the mini train's $250 though. That's not terrible. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, there's a ticket and it's so loud. It's so loud around here. All right, here we go. So we're getting a bunch of crap, obviously, but the mini would be $250. That would be nice. A lot of cars, I guess. 7, 2. $1. So you can't get less than $1. A lot of train cars. Wow, look at them. Still going. Still going. You can't get less than $1, no. No. I think half of them have been on, yeah, about $1, $2, yeah. Well, I think you can do up to 100 cars, so maybe the last one will be a mini, I don't know, $250. Look at all these dollars now. No. We must be getting close to 100 cars. Something good, maybe? It's quite long, yeah, but it's like... The biggest we've seen is $7, I think. Yeah, this could be 100 cars, guys. I mean... Wow. Oh, the irony. This might be the record, actually. Let's drop 250 on the end. 3, 3. Yeah, maybe. This is, yeah, by far the longest train I've seen on any Cash Express game ever. Imagine we get a Handpay. Imagine it's like 1,000. Imagine it's like 1,000 cars. I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna watch this back and count how many cars this is. This might be more than 100. This might be more than 100. Yeah, gotta have been 100 cars, guys. It had to have been 100 cars. The biggest number was $7. So it had to have been. Repeat win fee. Oh! Wait a second. Now we get the gold train. Wait a second. Oh, that could be big then. I forgot about that. I didn't realize it does this. Don't be 3. Don't be 3. Be more than 3. More than 3. Thank you. Thank you. More than 3. More than 3. Handpay. Here we go. And keep going. Do 100 cars. Do 100 cars of this. All right. No. All right. Hey, we ended it with the Handpay at least. And you know, it was meant to be that we didn't play the Ultimate Firelink. They're all dollars. I put it on dollars. So we actually got... I forgot that it does that too. Right. Okay. Wow, so... Yeah, there we go, look. All right. You know what? We only put in 1,500, so we're actually up, and we got a Handpay. Wow. It's the new card. Okay, guys, there you go. It was meant to be that we didn't play Firelink. Okay.